like to start by thanking Mohanji and EPC team for providing us with this beautiful platform where our children are blooming like anything. So, just to give an introduction, so I have two kids, and with my elder daughter, like going towards teens. So I had like issues going on, continuous issues like telling her, baby, you have to do this, you have to learn this, you have to. So at that time, I'm pretty sure for her, it's all lectures. And she would like, okay, mama, don't start, I'll do it. Right. So this kind of conversation had been there. And I would often sit in my temple and I'll say, Baba, please, God, help me. I don't know how to handle this. And I think getting a EBC platform was like my prayer come true. It was the answer to my prayer. So I feel earlier, like when I joined the EBC platform, when I came to know about that, so I told Anahat, I'm like, Anahat, let's just try this. At that time, the only thing in my mind was, I do not know how to keep them busy in this pandemic. They are home. And that was the whole idea behind me in my head, like, okay, something to keep her busy, right? But then I remember there was a firm when they asked, what do you wish to achieve with this? And at that time, I had in my mind, you know what, she is shy. Maybe I would like to see more confidence in her and see things like how if she can develop some communication skills. That was all. But I think I have got much more than that. Now, earlier it was a struggle telling her, Anahat, baby, wake up in the morning. It would be me worrying, oh, it's your school time, it's your this, you have to do this. And now it's a turnaround. She will wake up early, she will put her own alarms. She has become so responsible. And it would be even sometimes she will help me, Mama, it's time, you need to get up. I don't need to put any alarms now. So it's a beautiful change. And in terms of her behavior, I would say there is a big change. Earlier, I felt like there was a kind of a wall that I was not able to break and reach to her. No matter being a parent, we are so concerned about the kids. We sometimes we have to be strict. Sometimes we are telling them with the like kindness and love. But it seemed like I could not break that wall and reach her. And now with this EBC, I have felt as a result of all this journey, I feel my bond with her has become very strong. Like now she acknowledges what I say. She's able to understand it. That understanding, it just seems like in 9 months I have a brand new child with a brand new understanding, and I'm just looking at like, wow, it's a total change. And in her behavior, there had been like she was shy, she was not confident, she would be always hesitant, and I have to kind of push her, okay baby, go do this, no initiative, no nothing, right? And as Mohanji said, this thing they're about bonding and linking. So even at school, she would feel because of her shy nature, she would not make good any friends. She would be always under some kind of complex. I tried my best, but I could not just break that, and I could not understand why is that happening. And with this EBC club now, she is so confident. She's always asking questions, which makes me feel like, oh my God, this is so good. And she's participating in things. She takes initiatives. She's not afraid anymore. And this is a very big achievement for. I see it as a big win. And another thing I feel is that she have learned about being responsible. She had learned the true meaning of being responsible and why is it so important. And I feel now it's just like earlier I would, being in like foreign countries, we don't get any help, right? So I would beg them and I have to sometimes bribe them, okay, just to put them into habit. Okay, you know what? Let's just, if you guys do this work, I'll give you some money, like you have to earn it, right? But none of those strategies worked. And now she is like, Mama, I'll do this, I'll do that. So like there have been, I remember that there would be some activities saying that today you have to do something to help your parent, right? Anything that you want. And I think those things eventually developed into habit and understanding that why is it so important to help the parents? Why is it so important to, it's just like be part of that. So that ways it's a big, big change. Like lately, I have been sick and I would be worried, okay, this is not done. And she would come to me, oh, Mama, don't worry about it. I've done it already. And I am so surprised all the time. Now she surprises me all the time. Academics also, I feel there is a huge change. So she joined in June last year to the EBC Kids Club, and by September, when her school started, and I said, okay, I think Anahat, you have to cut down on that EBC. Maybe if you want to drop, because I don't want any problem happening with your studies. And because she had so much interest in it, she loved being in the EBC. She's like, Mama, I will manage, I promise. And I'm like, I don't want me telling you, okay, Nahat, your homework is done, this is done or not. And trust me, it has been such a change around. Now she is the topper of her class. She is so organized. She wakes up early in the morning and everything is so organized. Like I don't have to literally say a single word. Contrary, I have to tell her, Anahat, maybe take a break. You are working too much. So it's a beautiful change I see. And I'm thankful, very, very grateful to EBC team for bringing that up.